Hey, so you want to make money online and you want to know if it's possible to actually do it. You want to know how to do it. Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Giata. A couple years back, I was $87,000 in debt. I was stressed. I was depressed. I didn't know what I would do. I didn't know how I would get out of it. Now, I'm going to show you an opportunity that actually pays you weekly, so you could get these payments weekly. As you can see right here, yesterday a sale came in. The day before that, a sale came in. I got money sent to me right there. And on the 6th, another one came in. I've been really doing more Facebook right now. So, yeah, you'll notice that. And that's probably why you haven't seen an email or video from me in a while. And then here's a payout that I got right here. This pays weekly. It's on 7/7, and it's for $720. The current balance is $975. So it is, and it pays weekly, right? So it is possible to make money online, and I just wanted to show you that to be totally transparent with you. Is what this is a funnel builder, and it allows you to build out a sales funnel so you could actually make money online. Because when you're online, you need a page, you need like doors to your business. When people are on the internet, you need a way to retain that contact information. So we do that with the sales funnel. Now, how a sales funnel works is basically, they come to a page like this, they put in their email, and then they go to a page that looks like this. It has a video on it. Then you can watch the video, and then you can click on the button, below to, get started. And then that's how it works. So that's how you're able to make money and make sales in your sleep, even while you're sleeping, because it's all set up through a sales funnel, and you just got to get people to it, right? And people come to it through videos, people come to it through Facebook, all different kinds of ways. So there is ways to make money online. You just have to know how to do it, how to set it up, how to get it ready to go, and you're going to learn exactly how to build any business in 3 simple steps. You're going to be able to actually get into our Facebook community. You're going to be able to set it up on a domain, so your autoresponder gets connected to the domain, and then you're good to go, right? And then you're going to learn everything about a funnel builder. You're going to learn how to build out your pages. You're going to learn how to optimize for mobile. You're going to learn how to actually build these things out, and how to track your leads within the builder, how to sell your own products, how to do upsells and downsells. So upsell would be like if somebody came into your funnel and they clicked on that button, it would take them to something else that they could get in addition, like coaching or something like that of greater value. A downsell is if they don't buy, you could offer them something else at a lower price, but still the same amount of value, right? You always want to be giving value. You're going to also learn how to create your own, membership site. This whole entire site was built off of these tools, just so you know. You're going to learn how to actually do that. Then you're going to learn about email marketing. You're going to learn, all that stuff. You're going to learn how to actually, build out your own website. And, you could build out a site like this with these tools. And here is the funnel builder right here. So you're able to edit all this stuff. You're able to do all that. And this gives you a $20 a month commission. It's $25 a month. So out of that $25 a month, the company only keeps $5 of the sale for the company, right? And then you're gonna learn all about traffic. I wanted to learn about traffic. So this gives you a $100 a month commission. So now you're making $120 per month per sign up. And what this does is it teaches you all about how to create a lead magnet, who your target market is. You're going to learn all that stuff. And then you're going to learn about free methods of traffic. So you learn about, how to invite people, how to launch your business, how to actually follow up with people. And then you're going to learn how to get unlimited leads on Facebook. You're going to learn how to do video marketing. You're going to learn how to blog. You're going to learn how to do YouTube ranking. You're going to learn how to do podcasting. Podcasting is like a radio show. You're going to learn how to actually launch your own products and do Facebook Lives the right way. They have a 5-day a 5-day launch challenge right here. So you're going to learn how to do all that stuff. Here's the launch challenge. You're going to learn how to do all that stuff. You're going to learn how to do conversions. So you'll learn how to actually know your numbers. When your people are coming through the funnel, you'll learn how to actually follow up with them the right way. Then as a premium member, you'll be able to get access to our live mastermind calls, which are live by Zoom. They're every single day, Monday through Friday, and you'll be able to get access to them, right? So there's a mindset, call, which is in the morning. Then there's a Take Action Mastermind, which is at 11 a.m., which actually goes over the shoulder and shows you what the owners of the company are doing in their business to get results. And also people who are leaders like myself will go on the call and actually show you what we're doing live by video, right? So that's really cool about that. There's done for you funnels, and also other bonuses that you could get is being a premium member, right? And so that gives you $120 per month, and you're going to also be able to earn an additional $400 per month as an all-in member, which this is one time. It's a one-time course. It gives you a $400 commission, and it shows you exactly how to structure your business. So you're going to learn how to eliminate debt. You're going to learn how to reduce your taxes, and actually plan for the future. So you're going to learn how to keep your records the right way and keep your books the right way, so that way you can actually make money and know how to manage your business. And that's what this does. And then you'll learn all about investing. So you'll learn how to avoid scams, and you'll learn how to actually invest, and you'll learn about different property tricks and tips that you could use to actually invest your money, so you're making money and it's not all taken in taxes. So this gives you a $400 commission. So you have the potential of making over $500 per sign up, and then making $120 per month, which is really, really good commissions. And you'll be able to actually use these tools to build and grow your business. And when you get started with me, you're going to get a page like this that's already done for you, that converts very, very well. And you'll also have access to the funnel builder. So you'll have this page and other stuff that I have done for you, and you'll have access to our private Facebook community, where I share tips and tricks, and you're able to work with me hands-on, and you're able to work with our team members hands-on. So you get access to all that stuff, which is really, really cool. It's a huge value for people who are getting started or trying to get results in their business, right? So I'm gonna help you to get at least 1,000 people per month to see the opportunity, right? So if you got value from this video, make sure you click on the links below this video. Make sure you get into the Facebook group. It's a free Facebook group. It's in the description of this video. And make sure you subscribe to this video for more videos like this. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.